Okay guys, so real quick, today I want to share with you one of my new favorite meals that I've been working on, and that is my pork loin mac and cheese. Now if you guys are lean bulking, then you guys are going to absolutely love this recipe. It is higher in calories, but not super filling that you won't be able to finish eating it, because don't forget we still have another meal plus a dessert to eat later on to build muscle in that right calorie surplus. But it is super filling, super satisfying. You guys are absolutely gonna love it. Who doesn't love mac and cheese? We all love mac and cheese. So let's get straight to the recipe. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to run through all the ingredients that we're going to be using for this recipe. Now, like always, we don't need that many ingredients. So we're going to start by using some pork loins. Now, these are already marinated and seasoned. So if you find them already marinated and seasoned at the store, then go ahead and buy them. It makes it a hell of a lot easier. Now, you can use steak or chicken, but for this recipe, we're using pork loin. I highly recommend it. We're also going to be making our own cheese sauce. So for the cheese sauce, we're going to be needing some 0% milk, some mozzarella cheese, some flour, and some cottage cheese. So that's about a cup, sorry, not a cup, but a tablespoon and a half of flour, plain flour with some black pepper. So we're going to be blending that all together to make our cheese sauce. We're going to be needing some noodles, some pasta. I'm using the elbow pasta for this mac and cheese, and some additional seasoning, some salt, some pepper, and that's it. Very simple, so let's get straight to it. We're going to start by adding a bit of oil to the pan. It's about a teaspoon of coconut oil, and we're going to start cooking the pork loin. Now, at the same time, just to save some time, we're going to also have the water set to boil. So there you see on the side that the water is boiling, and here you're going to want to cook the pork loin well. So once you start seeing the water boiling, we're going to add in some salt, so about a pinch of salt. Okay, so once the water starts boiling, we're going to add in the cup and a half of pasta. Now, you don't want to cook it too soft, so you're going to want to check it after a couple minutes. You want it to be a bit, not hard, but a bit chewy, because it's going to finish cooking in the oven. Okay, so while that's cooking, we're going to prepare our cheese sauce. So we have our cottage cheese, our milk, our shredded cheese, and our pepper, and we're going to blend this until it's completely blended. It's going to make a nice thick sauce, and I have the complete recipe in the description. So here I'm just showing you the steps. Okay, so now after the pasta's been cooked, we're gonna use that fat from the pork loin, and we're gonna mix in our pasta and our cheese sauce with the oil. We're gonna give that extra flavor from the fat of the pork loin. Okay, so here I have the heat off, so you don't want to continue cooking that pasta. We're just using the pan to mix in our cheese sauce. Okay, so mix it well, and at this point you could even add in a bit more salt and a bit more black pepper if you choose so. So here we got aluminum foil pan. We spray it with some Pam, and we're gonna pour in the mixture of the cooked pasta and our cheese sauce. Mix it well, and then we're gonna top it off with our pork loin that we already cooked. And here I even added a bit of paprika on top. Now we're gonna set it in the oven, in the center of the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now you could even keep it in a bit longer. You could even add in some cheese on top. Okay guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I know you guys are absolutely gonna love it. So tag me, let me know in the comments, and also tag a friend who loves mac and cheese, because we all want to see what they have to say about my recipes as well. Also, if you don't have your copy of the Movie Star Recipe Cookbook, the Movie Star Chef Recipe Cookbook, then click the link down in the description. Don't wait another day. This recipe cookbook has over 50 delicious recipes like this, meal plans. It has the awesome Facebook group. So if you're ready to get into your goal physique, then I highly recommend this cookbook. So click the link down in the description today and I'll see you inside. All right guys, take care. Have a nice day.